Okay. AYG, Asian Youth Games. Medyo hindi natin binigyan natin ng pansin, of course. Pero this is very exciting. We beat the record. The last edition of AYG was 2 golds and 4 silvers. That's it. Diba? 2 golds and 4 silvers. So ngayon, nalampasan natin, of course, 7-7-10. 7-7-10. Maganda, sobrang ganda. Pero sayang. Nauusan tayo ng South Korea ng 1 bronze, 7-7-11. Yun ang mga trivia doon, 7-7-11. 1 bronze lang. Nauusan tayo. Kung nakakuha tayo ng isang gold, number 9 tayo. Nalampasan natin ng Taipei, UAE, meron pang isa eh. I think India. So, isa pang trivia. Ang Thailand, ilan? Nataas yun eh. Pang-lima Thailand, 15 golds. Pero mas malakas tayo sa Thailand. Hindi niyo ba na-analyze mathematically? Mas malakas tayo sa Thailand. Why? Ang Thailand ang pinadala 480 athletes. 480. Tayo 140 lang. 7 golds. Sila 480, 15 golds. Kahit kung dinoble ko na natin ang quality. So, di ba? Ratio-wise, percentage-wise, mas mataas tayo. 7 golds out of 140 athletes. Sila, 15 golds out of 480 athletes. So, para paano naman ano? Trivia doon. So, yun yung sinabi ko ng announcement na nando pa na lesson learned din para sa amin. Para sa akin. Why? Sana pinus ko yung judo. Okay? Kahit ilan. Malay mo, sana pinus natin ang basketball. 3-on-3. Marami nagtatanong, marami naghanap. Why? Diba? Sana pinus ko rin, pinus natin. Hindi ko rin sinasabing selfish. Ang volleyball. Beach. Ang lakas niya. Sad to say, hindi maganda yung reaction ng hindi ata pinagdang ng UST coach. So, but I'll be frank. Dapat kasi alalahanin natin para sa bayan, bansa muna, bandera muna. Diba? Kaya, sayang dahil tayo yung pinakamaraming cheering squad doon. There were 60,000 Filipinos ang galing. Kung nakita nilang po yung volleyball, puno. Ang stadium, puro Filipino. May ano pa, may banda pa. So, sayang. Yun yung sinasabi nating lesson there. Even of course, the parish priest sa Capuchin, sa cathedral, 2,000 seater ang cathedral. Capuchin ng parish priest. So, yun po yung mga trivia. CDM natin, unfortunately, dumiretso ng Jordan dahil may volleyball under 16. So, kaya po sinasabi yun, dahil dun sa result na to, magiging exciting na ang Asian Youth Games. And the next will be 2029. The next will be in 2029 in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Announced na po yun. 100%. Then we approved, the OCA approved, me as part of the executive board, approved that after 2029, it will be every 2 years. Ngayon lang, magja-jump ng 4 years sa USBEC. After 2029, every 2 years na ang AYG. Then after USBEC, 2031, correct? It will be in Cambodia. So yun po yung mga pinag-ahanda natin. And definitely, itong mga medals natin, yung mga lagan, wala na yun. Out of range na sa age. No? Dahil po itong mga medals natin ngayon, ang iba ay hindi na makakalaro na PAR Youth Olympics, Youth Games. Di po ba? That's age. Age should be 18 years old. October 31 na ang Dakar Youth Olympics. So yung mga hindi, I think Ratcliffe will be, So we would like to announce, to acknowledge the arrival of our special guest and visitor. Ang sumagot po nitong lahat. No other than the chairman of PSC, Chairman Patro Gregorio. John Patrick Patro Gregorio. Balik po tayo sa trivia ko. Nasabi ko kay precision. Pagdating, sana wag naman alpha yung omega yung medal natin. Gold, first event, gold. Tapos, the last gold. Nangyari na, pero dapat may paraman sa gitna. Meron mga in between. Talagang first gold, that first event, gold. Last event, at Jiu-Jitsu, kay Butler, gold. Sabi ko siya, may ngayon, buti lang, nasa mission or else, medyo mabigat yun dahil nandun lahat ng Arabs. UAE ang kalaban. Jiu-Jitsu is the national game of UAE. All police, armed forces, lahat PE sa school, Jiu-Jitsu ang nilalaro. So, mabigat ng konti kung di submission, buti na lang. Submission. So, again, first gold female, last gold female again. So, yun naman bigyan. Also, lahat ng medalist, babae na naman. Sabi mo na, puro na babae, puro na naman, girls. So, yung sinasabi ko kanina po, not all na nag-medals, kahit qualified sa Youth Games, Youth Olympics sa Dakar next year, ma-overage na. So they should be 18 before October 31 start ng Youth Games. So yung sinabi ko nga kanina na sigurado pagkahanda na yan 2029 is Uzbekistan. After that, nalaw na po yung every 2 years. Cambodia susunod, 2031. So, open yan 2033. Mga gano'n. At sayang, hindi natin na-push. Iulitin ko, hindi natin na-push. It should have been 1 gold only. Nasa 9th place tayo. Naumusan tayo ng 1 bronze ni South Korea. Napunta tayo sa 12. So, top 10 sana. Kung pilus natin yung, again, basketball, why? 1, 3 on 3. Hindi na sabihin natin, wala. Kung bakit hindi na-pressure. Alam ko ito maganda ito may isang new game. Volleyball, hindi ko alam. Ba't pinagdamot yung US team with volleyball. Judo, sakali. E-sports. Why? Tinanong ko ang e-sports natin. Wala daw ng games na naglalaro ng mga bata. Mas malakas tayo sa Mobile Legends. And camel racing. Pinanood namin natin. Okay na yung camel racing. Marami tayong anak ng hinete. Actually, may nakuha po tayong athletes from Bukidnon. Hindi lang po umabot ang passport. So, taga-Palawan din isa. Then, tinanong ko yung Prince, yung IAF, how can we show that, how will they will provide the camels. Sabi niya, yung daw mga taga-Middle East, they can bring their own camels. So, ano tayo? Draw lots. They will provide, example, say 10 camels, then draw lots. That's fair enough. So, sayang, di ba? Kaya, nag-print kami noon. Okay, kung saan yung camel, di ba? Kinain natin. Oh, di ba? Masarap, di ba? Perfect. Parang bulan lang, no? Nakapatong sa birin. Pero kaya, sa likod na kalay, kaya. So, sayang. Yung sinasabi ng Biblia, more than tayo. And, mas marang tayo sa Thailand. Mas marang tayo sa Thailand, Chairman. I explained a while ago why Thailand has 15 roads out of 480 athletes. We have 7 goals out of 140 athletes. Mathematically. So, lahat yan, Pilipino. Si Butler, taga-Davao yan. Si Radcliffe, puro Ilonggo yan. And then yung mami, kaya sabi ko kay Sherry, upakan mo na, kung kaya mo isang mission, choke mo na agad. So, fastest, parang 3 seconds, 5 seconds. 1 minute, go. 1 minute. Yun. Or else, baka maano pa tayo ng judges.
Cash incentives, of course. Plus, meron natin nag-sponsor ng cellphones, 17 Pro Max. Diba? All models. And we will wait for the announcement of hindi magpapahuli ang gobyerno. Diba? Through PSC and the Office of the President. Hindi magpapahuli yan. We will announce the amount of the incentive from POC. Papa-approve lang namin sa board this week. So again, congratulations to all. Maraming salamat sa Philippine team. Best jacket, best pin, lahat, di ba? Hinahabol kayo, talagang hinahabol kayo ng pag nakita yung jacket, talagang hinahabol kayo ng tao, pin, we need the pin. Give me your pin. So, thank you. Maraming salamat po ulit. And I will now give the microphone to our special guest for today, Chairman Pato Gregorio of PSC.
Magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Congratulations, President Bambol, Secgen Wharton, CBM Tats, and CBM Ricky. Congratulations sa lahat ng mga medalists, mga batang Pinoy. We're very proud of you. To all the NSAs na nagkamit ng medalya, yan ang the best. Diyan kami very happy. Talagang palakpakan po natin ang mga NSAs. Palakpakan po natin ang mga NSAs at ang mga atleta. Talagang deserving. Alam niyo po, talagang minonitor ko itong AYG. Sinubukan ko talagang sumama kahit 2 araw lang, pero hindi po talaga kaya kasi nagsunod-sunod po yung Batang Pinoy Opening. Nagbukas rin po yung World Surf League ni Vinny sa Siargao. Pagkatapos po ngayon, kanina lang, galing ako rin sa technical working group ng gymnastics. By 1 o'clock, technical working group ng futsal. After that po, may meeting po tayo with DepEd. Dun sa plano natin kung Eric na collaboration, harmonization of the palarong pambansa and Batang Pinoy. Hindi po siya i-unify, liwanagin ko lang po, hindi po siya i-unify. Is-streamline po natin, i-harmonize po natin para yung age group malawak because we have to support the initiatives of the Philippine Olympic Committee. Dito lalo na napaka-importante nitong Asian Youth Games, Youth Olympic Games. Alam po namin ni President Bambol yan. Alam nyo, I was there during the Youth Olympic Games in Argentina. Na-realize ko, pwede tayong manalo rito Kaya ako very happy po na ang Philippine Olympic Committee at ang NSAs, tinututukan na natin to because yung nananalo dyan sa AYG, mananalo dyan sa Youth Olympic Games. Yan na rin ho ang mananalo sa Olympics at sa Asian Games. Huwag na po nating bitawan ito kasi I'm sure alam natin that is the right pathway and the right runway. Before I continue, let me just acknowledge the arrival of the two commissioners of PSC, Commissioner Fritz Gaston and Commissioner Ed Haico. Talaga hong hinintay ko sila bago natin i-announce yung reward ng gobyerno. Baka hindi sila pumirma. But welcome, Com Ed, Com Fritz, JR, Prince, and sa mga kawani po ng Philippine Sports Commission, kamusta po kayo dyan? Alam niyo po yung, ma-sideline ko lang ho ng konti. Alam niyo po nung nakita po namin yung opening ng Batang Pinoy with 21,000 delegates, nandun po kami nila Kong Eric, nandun po ang maraming NSAs. Talaga hong pag hindi ka kinilabutan, pag hindi tumayo ang balahibo mo, pag hindi pumatak ang luha mo, talagang siguro mahina na talaga tayo sa programa natin sa sports. Pero ang ganda-ganda ho ng Batang Pinoy and then ang ganda-ganda ng performance ng Asian Youth Games. Kung nabasa niyo po yung article ni Dean Quinito on how we collaborate with POC, how PSC and POC collaborate. Ang ganda nga ho ng example niya, si President Bambol nasa Bahrain, si Chairman Pato nasa Jensan. But that is how it should be. It is the collaboration of government and private sector, the Olympic Committee and the Sports Commission. Talaga pong itakbo na natin ito, slam dunk na natin ito hanggang 2028. Because you will realize this works and we have to make it happen. Alam mo yun, yung uniforme, umattend ako nung Chengdu Yung sa Chengdu World Games, yung Italiano hong nakasuot ng Emporio Armani, nakikipagpalit ng jacket sa akin Nagugulat niya ako Sabi ko, are you sure? Yes, you can have my Armani. Sabi ko, ang ganda. Talagang pinagmamalaki ho yan. At very nice to know na may pin na po. Kaya nga, Sekjen. Diba? Guys, you saw the news today. Last Friday, the President issued Administrative Order 38 saying that there's now a National Sports Tourism Interagency Committee, a very strong, powerful, and talagang dedicated committee for sports tourism. Alam niyo po, kahit nasa Bahrain si President Bambol, nag-uusap kami, ano pa ba ang i-host natin? Nag-uusap po yung mga NSAs, ano pa ba yung i-host natin? We hope to bring the Asian Youth Games to the Philippines. Alam niyo po, nung umatendo ako ng gymnastics, World Gymnastics sa Jakarta, dilipad ko po yan after the Sports Ministers meeting in Hanoi. Na-meet ko yung bagong Sports Minister ng Indonesia, si Ginoong Eric Thohir. Na-meet ko rin po yung Indonesian Olympic Committee na kaibigan mo, President Bambol, na President ng Olympic Committee ng Indonesia. Na-meet ko rin po yung Presidente ng Indonesia. Alam niyo po, talagang sabi nila, we can do this together. During the Sports Ministers meeting, they said, sports tourism, sports tourism, sports tourism. Alam niyo po kung ano talaga ang pinag-usapan noon? Alam niyo po kung anong pinag-usapan namin ni Minister Eric Thohir? Medyo nagka-problema lang sila ng kaunti ngayon because of the Israel issue. But I'm sure they will fix that soon. At sinabi ng Southeast Asia, why can't we not work together to one day host the Olympic Games? Southeast Asia hosting the Olympic Games. And kailangan po natin ng suporta. Pinresent ko na po ito kay President Marcos. Ang sinabi niya, why not? Plot it. That is why you have the National Sports Tourism Interagency Committee. Plot it with the Olympic Committee. And magandang, it is a very good story. It is a very good narrative that Southeast Asia is willing, is open, is interested to work together to bid for the Olympic Games. As a matter of fact, open pa ho ang 2036. So sabi nga nila, bidding is one thing, winning is another thing. Doon muna tayo sa bidding, President. At kung ibibigay man nila during our lifetime, at least we started it. But as I said, it all starts here. Talaga pong masaya kami sa Philippine Sports Commission, mga atletang Pinoy, batang Pinoy. Ang ganda naman ng table pag maraming nakamedalya. Talagang nakakatama sa puso. Kulang pa raw. O pressure. Pero kaya po natin ito. Kakatapos rin lang po ng World Surf League. Ang ganda-ganda rin po. With the collaboration of Philippine Sports Commission and POC, with the support of DepEd, with the support of DOT, with the support of President Marcos, Philippine sports is up there. Alam niyo po bakit? Because sports is good news. Sports is good news. Manalo, matalo, sports is good news. So, alam kong gutom na kayo. In behalf of the Philippine Sports Commission, may kailangan ba ako announce? In behalf of the Philippine Sports Commission, Commissioner Haico, Commissioner Fritz Gaston, Commissioner Bongko, Commissioner Walter Torres, the men and women of the Philippine Sports Commission, Office of the President in partnership with the Philippine Olympic Committee, we announce a reward. All gold medalists will get 500,000 pesos each. All silver medalists, 300,000 pesos each. All bronze medalists, 100,000 pesos each. Mabuhay ang atletang Pilipino. Nakasmile siya, oh. Ano pinanalo mo? Gold! What's your name? Anong sport? Nakasmile si Muay Thai. Nakasmile. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Mahal po namin kayo. Mabuhay po. Thank you, President Bambo.
Tulog kayo ng konti.